Hello and welcome to From Zero to Python Ninja, the ultimate Python programming course. I'm Amin, your instructor, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Over the next few weeks, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Python programming, from the very basics to advanced mastery. We will take you from zero to a Python ninja. But, who is this course for? This course is incredibly inclusive and caters to a wide range of learners. It's for absolute beginners with no prior programming experience, which means you will learn everything you need in this course. Programmers coming from another programming language, and programmers with basic knowledge in Python who want to deepen their skills. But first, you might be wondering, why Python? Python is one of the most versatile and in-demand programming languages today. It's renowned for its simplicity and readability, making it an ideal choice for beginners. It's also incredibly powerful and used in various fields, from web development and data science to artificial intelligence and game development. Python's popularity has surged in recent years, experiencing significant growth in adoption and usage across multiple industries. This increase can be attributed to its simplicity, versatility, and strong community support. Python's straightforward and readable syntax has made it an attractive choice for beginners and experienced developers alike, resulting in a rapid expansion of its user base. According to the data from Stack Overflow, Python has consistently ranked among the top programming languages, reflecting its widespread adoption and growing user base. This data from Stack Overflow's surveys serves as a reliable indicator of Python's increasing prominence and its relevance in today's technology landscape. Python's versatility makes it applicable in a wide range of fields and industries. Here are some key areas where Python can be effectively used. Web development. Python is used for both server-side and client-side web development. Ethical hacking. Python is employed in cybersecurity for penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and creating security tools. Data science. Python is a primary language for data analysis and visualization. Python's extensive machine learning libraries make it a top choice for AI development, from natural language processing to computer vision. Python can create cross-platform desktop applications, and I will teach you how to do it in this course. Network programming. Python's socket library enables developers to create network applications, including servers, clients, and network automation scripts. Python's ease of use makes it ideal for automating repetitive tasks and creating scripts for various purposes. Python can be used for database management. Python is popular for web scraping as well, allowing users to extract data from websites. Python can be used to develop 2D games with libraries like PyGame, offering an excellent platform for game developers. We will cover game development in this course and teach you how to create any game that you can imagine. Python can be used as well in natural language processing, scientific computing, educational and scientific research, financial and quantitative analysis, and geographic information systems. The adaptability of Python, combined with its extensive library ecosystem and active community support, makes it a go-to language for a wide range of applications across multiple domains. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers looking to tackle diverse projects. So, what can you expect from this course? We've carefully designed it to ensure you have a solid foundation in Python and can confidently tackle real-world projects, regardless of your prior experience. Here's a sneak peek at what we'll be covering: control flow and loops, functions and modules, object-oriented programming, game development with PyGame, file handling, built-in functions, advanced topics like decorators, generators, regular expressions, advanced data types, asynchronous programming, latest Python concepts, and so much more. As you progress through this course, I want to ensure that you have a hands-on learning experience. That's why I've prepared support Python files for each lecture. These files are like your companions, helping you practice and reinforce what you've learned in each lesson. They will contain the code we covered in the video and the explanation as well. You will find as well hands-on exercises and challenges. We give you the instructions, examples, the code to test your try, then there are hints, the solution, and the explanation. All of this to reinforce your knowledge and track your progress. There are also quizzes to track your progress and your skill level. Let's take a moment to talk about the structure of this course. I've designed it with your learning experience in mind, ensuring that it's both comprehensive and easy to follow. The course is divided into 16 sections, each focusing on specific aspects of Python programming. Each section is carefully crafted to build on your knowledge progressively, taking you from foundational concepts to more advanced topics. We start by setting up our environment and understand the Python syntax. Then, in our first section, data types and variables, we'll lay the foundation for your Python journey. You'll discover how to work with different data types like integers, strings, and lists, and how to use variables to store and manipulate data. This section is perfect for absolute beginners, setting the stage for your Python adventure. If you know some basics of Python, you can see only the last video of the section because it is the video that will show you more tips and tricks that will make you a real Python ninja. In Control Flow and Loops, our second section, you'll delve into the logic of programming. We'll explore conditional statements and loops, which are essential tools for controlling the flow of your Python programs. Whether you're new to coding or coming from another language, you'll gain a solid grasp of these fundamental concepts. Moving on to functions, our third section, you'll learn how to create reusable blocks of code, making your programs more efficient and organized. We'll cover how to define, call, and work with functions in Python. By the end of this section, you'll be well equipped to write your own functions and solve a variety of programming challenges. In built-in functions, our fourth section, we'll explore the treasure trove of functions that Python provides right out of the box. You'll discover how to use these pre-built functions to perform a wide range of tasks, from mathematical calculations to working with text. This section is designed to make your Python coding experience even more efficient and productive. In file handling, our fifth section, you'll gain essential skills in working with files in Python. You'll learn how to read from and write to files, handle exceptions when dealing with files, and explore various file manipulation techniques. Modules, our sixth section, is all about organizing your code and making it more modular and reusable. You'll discover how to create and use Python modules, allowing you to organize your code into separate files for better maintainability and reusability. We'll also explore how to import and utilize external modules to enhance your Python programs. You will learn how to use third-party libraries and modules. In the end of the section, you will be able to search and import a module and use it independently. We will cover the random module, and the date-time module as well. Moving on to iterators and generators, our seventh section, we'll explore advanced concepts using the itertools module. You'll learn how to work with iterators, generate infinite sequences efficiently, and use generators to create custom iterators. This section will sharpen your Python skills and provide you with valuable tools for solving complex problems. Error handling, our eighth section, is where you'll become proficient at handling exceptions in Python. We'll delve into how to gracefully handle errors and exceptions, ensuring that your programs can recover gracefully from unexpected situations. Mastering error handling is a key skill for writing robust and reliable Python code. In object-oriented programming, our ninth section, we'll enter the realm of OOP, one of Python's strengths. You'll learn the principles of object-oriented programming, how to create classes and objects, and how to use inheritance and polymorphism to design elegant and efficient Python programs. Whether you're new to OOP or need a refresher, this section has you covered. In decorators and closures, our 10th section, we'll explore more advanced Python topics. You'll discover how to use decorators to modify and enhance the behavior of functions, and you'll gain a deep understanding of closures and their role in Python. These advanced concepts will elevate your Python programming skills to the next level. In regular expression, our 11th section, you'll dive into the world of pattern matching and text manipulation. You'll learn how to use regular expressions to search, extract, and manipulate text efficiently. This skill is invaluable for tasks like data validation, text processing, and more. Moving on to data science with Pandas, our 12th section, you'll embark on a data-driven journey. We'll explore the Pandas library, one of Python's most powerful tools for data manipulation and analysis. You'll learn how to work with CSV in JSON files, create data visualizations, and master data frames and series. Whether you're a data enthusiast or aspiring data scientist, this section is a must. Advanced Concepts, our 13th section, takes you deeper into Python's capabilities. We'll introduce you to asynchronous programming, providing a foundation for concurrent and efficient code execution. You'll also explore the collections module for advanced data structures and learn about the sys module to interact with your Python environment. These topics will broaden your programming horizons. In GUI Programming, our 14th section, you'll enter the realm of graphical user interfaces. You'll learn how to create intuitive and user-friendly desktop applications using the tkinter library. Whether you're interested in building your own tools or exploring user interface design, this section will empower you to bring your ideas to life. Finally, in game development, our 15th and last section, we'll explore the exciting world of game development. You'll discover how to create your own interactive games using the PyGame framework. This hands-on experience will allow you to combine all the skills you've acquired throughout the course to build fun and engaging projects. And like that, you will become a ninja. Each of these sections is carefully crafted to provide you with practical knowledge and hands-on experience. Whether you're interested in data science, graphical user interfaces, or game development, you'll find valuable content tailored to your interests. Technically, all you need to get started is a computer, but mentally, it's your enthusiasm and mindset that matter the most. Your passion for programming and your eagerness to learn are the real prerequisites. If you have a genuine interest in exploring the world of programming and a mindset ready to embrace challenges and new knowledge, you're absolutely prepared for this course. Our course is meticulously crafted to provide you with both price and quality. We're proud to offer a course that not only covers modern Python but also delivers exceptional value for your investment. You'll find that this course is not just about learning Python, it's about mastering it. From Zero to Python Ninja is new and comprehensive, designed to equip you with everything you need to excel in Python programming. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to deepen your Python skills, you'll find that we've covered every essential aspect of Python in a way that's accessible and engaging. So, are you ready to dive into Python and become a coding ninja? I can't wait to see you inside the course. Get ready to unlock your coding potential and join the ranks of Python ninjas. Let's begin our Python adventure now.